GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It is a deep learning-based natural language processing model that has been trained on a massive amount of text data, allowing it to generate human-like text responses to a wide range of prompts. ChatGPT is a specific instance of the GPT-3 model that has been fine-tuned for conversational AI tasks, such as answering questions and generating responses in a conversational tone. It uses the same architecture as GPT-3 but has been trained on a different dataset with a focus on conversational text. In terms of functionality, ChatGPT can be integrated into chatbots or other conversational interfaces to provide human-like responses to user queries. The model uses the context of a conversation to generate responses that are relevant to the current topic. It can also be fine-tuned for specific domains or use cases, allowing it to generate more domain-specific responses. Overall, ChatGPT represents a significant advance in the field of conversational AI and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Its advanced language understanding capabilities allow it to generate high-quality responses to a wide range of questions, making it an attractive option for businesses and developers looking to build conversational interfaces.